I started the Neighborgoods a year ago. Started out by just taking a screen printing class for fun, and it kind of morphed into this, I should sell these and it's fun. I love the actual physicality of screen printing and seeing a physical product. A lot of times, my day job, I do a lot of things on the computer, but it's really fun just to step away from that and actually see something directly when you're done printing it. A lot of my ideas for my designs are based on personal experiences. So for example, my pickle towel was for my friend's birthday. She loves pickles, and so I actually just made that one for her and everybody liked it, so I just kept printing them. I think my work has a certain sensibility to it. It has a fun and quirky kind of vibe, and that's what I like to portray personally and through my work, and so I think that's what makes it stand apart.